Sometimes you better for day in a church sometime. You better for there some serious place sometime. You understand me? I say because some really brutal, some viral things we are going outside. Some things we really are conduct on the outside. More while it's not really it's not acceptable. You understand me? I say it not acceptable. So you have to find say when I do at church sometimes it's like you know it's like a secure sometime. At least you have at least 90% chance. 90% chance because of them I grew up still. Of them I grew up and of them really one of the greatest moments I see them here. You understand me? I say, musician me can touch because this me can touch. Some of that me can touch. Certain moments of thing and whatever. So, my mind there so now until me end up like on another side, do a little circle around, do a little community exercise around so me can really open up my mind. You understand me? I say me can see things that kind of really flash up my mind. Things that I can't remember now, them little things now whatsoever. You understand me? I say so. That is all about it. Where sometimes get my brain and get my mind lifted up and things. So I don't really like unnecessary like me have to go this one then end up stuck better for the whole time. Probably like an hour time, half an hour time, 20 minutes, me have to move, go back again, back to forth and all them little things there. So a part of my journey still. You understand me? I say so I'm doing all these things. I'm doing all these things without mercy of God. I'm doing all these things without, oh my God, I'm doing all these things without one day God will work out things. No, it's not. It's not that. You understand me? I say I don't believe in it that way. I believe it's just that time is the master and time is what all matters. And when it's your time, it's your time. People always use the word that God not ready for you yet, and God knows all this. She understand me, I say, but we still no bad mind. Nobody we know. Not ready for them to purchase yet. We no bad mind nobody. We're not ready for them the levels of values where really inquire to what it takes. You understand me, I say, so I declare this, declare that in every moment. Sometimes we try to put things the way how it's not supposed to, and then we end up in more situation where it costs, where it's much easier if you do it the right alphabetical order way. I said me can, how much step me can take, the step me can reach pan the other tour side again, because as much as I told you, say, um, still I do the journey, so still much step. Oh. So now you have to kind of be very careful sometimes at these steps. These steps coming sometime like when you're going on the river banking side sometime. You understand me? You understand me? Yeah man, these come like the river journey. So whoa, watch your step man. Yeah, so these oh my god dog is coming now. Oh my god, I'm so scared of dog. Fuck you man. Yeah. Oh, oh, oh dear. I think it's cool. I'll just try not to make that slide again. This dog day before yesterday make I have to ring out all my slippers man. Yeah, I ring out all my, oh my god, take your time nigga, take your time nigga. So I guess because the light is kind of in my face, so you know it's unlike how we can't really see because light is in my face, so I just gotta take my time and step. So as you can see couple second, like a minute now. You can see the waves getting clear up now. As much as the light is in my face, I can see much better, you know. So, you know, getting there. Yeah, so, you know, I'm passing my father's grave right now, right here, nigga. Yeah, this is where my father's grave is, right here, nigga. I'm passing that grave, nigga. This is where the burial ground. So, this is where the borderline. Understand? So, this is borderline now. So, the rain is coming down, as you can see. And I think I'm really not so sure how we're going to make it because I need some charge up. You understand? I really need some charge up. You can see the rain is falling. Yes, make it on the other side now. And I'm going to cross the line now. Yeah. So I was on Front Street and now I'm on the back street. So the water is on the screen. It ain't going down. It ain't going down. It ain't going down. It ain't going out. These dogs are crazy, man. Look at this, man. Rain. Yeah, rain. Oh, well, never to regret still, because this is part of my tour. Oh my God, this is part of my tour. So, oh my God, it's just the challenges we got to face, man. Just the challenges we got to face. The road is not too smooth. If you want the best out of it, man, you got to do it on rocky road, man. You know, you got to do it on rocky road. And this is what the rocky road is like, nigga. You got to do it on the rocky road. Yeah. So you came to see my face because I'm most like shining it in the direction where I could see where I'm going. You understand? So it's just the way I'm clear now, man, nigga. Yeah, so you just got the journey, nigga. You do, man. Oh my God, it's too tough, too rough, man. I'm so drink my splash, nigga. See that, man? Yeah, wet, man. So wet, nigga, man. Yeah, let's do it again, man, nigga. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So wet. Rain catcher?
Rain catch me. Me not get until Saturday night again.
Oh.
Then I put out here again.
I will. Put ya.
Mm-hmm.
Because me da shout last night and
I
about.
mean, to figure out go for it. You know, come out. I just am afraid me to have my time to send them that long time.
Oh.
I do go half of a time.
Cause but do me check you me outside them, I just wait until you're up, but me just come check you last night, so me I give you a shout still. Hmm? Yeah man. Oh. No man, cause she always tell me when you're up more still no. Yeah, so she always make me know say you're up more while still. Mm-hmm.